Hi friends, I have a bouncy egg here and I'm going to try to see what's inside and we're going to cut it so you can see. But I don't know what's inside, so we have to be very careful to cut it. So let's film it.
Put your other hand on it. Yeah?
I can't do it.
You want me to hold it?
Yes.
Or cut? Not like that. Rub it.
Can't do it. Wow. It's very, very cozy.
It's so, inside it's still the egg.
Yeah.
Just a peel.
It's just the peel. It's just the peel because the peel is very oily.
Yeah. So now we need to
Clean up.
clean.
Can we touch it?
Yes. This is an egg.
The eggs are not so bouncy.
No.
Not all eggs are bouncy.
So how do you say?
Bye friends. See you on my next video.